Samsung Galaxy. Z Fold 6 will probably have a 7.6-inch 120Hz foldable AMOLED screen. Those are the same specs as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, but the Z Fold 6 might at least have a brighter 2600 nit display. The Galaxy Z Fold 6's foldable display might also be higher resolution. As for the cover screen, there's disagreement on what size that will be, with one source saying it will have a 6.2-inch cover screen like the Galaxy Z Fold 5, one saying the Galaxy Z Fold 6's cover screen will be 6.4 inches, and one splitting the difference at 6.3 inches. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6's chipset will almost certainly be a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. That's the same as you'll find in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, among many other phones, and is the successor to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The cameras could be the weak link among the Z Fold 6's specs, because most sources claim that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have the same cameras as the Z Fold 5. Aslo Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 might have up to 16 GB of RAM. That's up from 12 GB in the Z Fold 5. So between that and the expected chipset upgrade, this could be a substantially more powerful phone. On the back, that would mean a 50MP f1. 8 main camera, a 12MP f2. 2 ultra-wide with a 123-degree field of view and a 10MP f2. 4 telephoto, offering 3x optical zoom. On the front, that would mean a 10MP f2. 2 selfie camera, while the foldable screen would have a 4MP f1. 8 under-display camera. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 might have a 4600 mAh battery according to one source. But others say the Z Fold 6 will instead have a 4400 mAh battery, just like the Galaxy Z Fold 5. We've heard the latter claim from multiple sources, so we'd say it's more likely, and the same sources also claim it will charge at 25W, just like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5.